Yeah, all right. Welcome to the new video. This is a video which is basically just from now on completely in English. This is I think the fifth one in which I would just do some testing on my strategy and basically showing my way to on my journey, my way of trading on the journey to like a funding challenge and passing the funding challenge and finally becoming like funded professional trader. Yeah, so just for a little bit of context, I traded for like 2 years and 2 months now, but real education wise, I received real education just 1 year and um, I'm receiving real education since 1 year and 2 months, I think. The year before that was just wasting a lot of time and trading the wrong stuff, having bad educators around me. And yeah, so now I'm basically found my way, found my way to my first profitability in my equity curves. And that's actually what I'm going to touch on the first minutes of the video, because in the last video, which was in German. So yeah, there I just started my first equity curve, started my first journal, and since then I finished the 3 or 4 journals. So I'm just going to touch a little bit on that at first, and then we're going to jump onto the chart and just going to test a little bit. Yeah, so education-wise, I'm not a teacher, and I don't want to be. So don't take anything for real education. This is just me recording my journey of becoming a funded trader in the future. So I'm not trying to teach you anything. I don't try to teach you anything. So do your own research, do your own thing. If you're interested in trading, I can highly suggest the YouTube channel Mentfx. He's my mentor. I'm in this mentorship, and he is basically the person that taught me everything I used in this video. So every tool I use, every knowledge you hear me talking about is basically everything from him. So the credit goes there, and without him, this wouldn't be possible at all. I probably would have found a way at the end, but it would just take way longer. So yeah, he was the one that taught me. He was the one who taught me everything I use now. Every single tool you see on this chart, this indicator, you see Mentfx structure is all from him. So yeah, go over to his YouTube channel, and if you want to dive really deep into trading, I advise you to just join up on this mentorship, which is basically just an environment where learning is guaranteed. So yeah, as I said, I'm going to touch on my equity curves first, just because in the last video I yeah, talked about that a little bit. And yeah, this was basically the equity curve that was displayed in the last video. So you're gonna see me trading this equity curve in the last video, and as you can see, this was my first ICI back test, and it was already profitable. Problem with that one was that I had not enough trades. You see, 177 trades over the course of, I think, 2.5 years of data on every single pair, like major pair with good context. So not enough trades. You have to get at least to 500 trades to basically see if your system is profitable and if the probability is playing is playing out for you. And yeah, so this was profitable, but at the end it was just not enough trades. And then we jump into my second journal, which looked way better. You can see I finally got to 500 trades. A very linear fashioned RR curve, and the equity curve began to play out exponentially to the end. And yeah, you see profitability is given. jump into my third journal. And you should see like a slight improvement of the equity curve, because I try to refine. You see here the third ICI backtest. That's the strategy I'm going to use. That's a strategy you're going to see me using right now. As I said, this strategy evolved out of the Mentfx way. So don't try to learn off of me. Try to go to him and learn from him. So because he's doing the right thing. I'm just his student, and you want to learn from the master, not from the student. Yeah. So you should see slight improvement throughout these equity curves. And as you can see, as you click through them and just watch the equity curve, it just goes slightly more up. You see, money-wise, we make it more every single time. Then the fourth was, I think it was my, yeah, as you can see the datum, the date, I'm sorry. These are, yeah, not 100 trades. Problem with that one was, it was crazy profitable. As you can see, I got to 86 trades. I got to 157 RR in a matter of 86 trades. If you compare that with the last journal, 150 RR is around here. Let's see where we reach at first. At trade 230. So it was crazy profitable. Problem with that one was I traded, and same issue that we had before. I just had to not enough trades. So I already ran through 2 pairs at that point, and I had 2 left. So that probably would be around 200 trades for the whole data I had. So yeah, not able to get 500. Yeah, 500 there. So I basically skipped that journal and started a new journal with new refinements. I try to aim all at every journal at 500 trades, just to get some basically just to get some perspective on the data. And this is my current journal that I journal right now, that you're gonna see me continuing to journal today. And yeah, just load it. Yeah, as you can see, at trade 133. Not as profitable as the last one, but you have to keep in mind that the last one was over the count of 2 pairs finished, and right now I have 1.5 pairs finished. So it's all good. We had 136, trade 136, and with 140 RR. Can't complain right now. So we're going to close all of them, except from the one that we're using today. I'm going to move this over. And we're going to just jump into the backtest. I say it again, and I'll probably say it throughout this video. Use the Mentfx methodology. This is my way of trading. I refined my system. I added some things. I removed some things. But yeah, if you want to get into trading, Mentfx is the way. And yeah, we're just gonna jump into it. Probably won't make a lot of sense to you if you're not if you don't know the Mentfx way of trading. But as I said, this is just for me to see my process over the years, over the months, and to look back on when I'm a funded trader in the future. So yeah, I think I got everything out of the way that I wanted to say, and now we're just gonna jump in. So first of all, I always do top down. So we start high time frame wise. Just watch here. Basic accumulation. You can see reaccumulation here, because we broke down here. We had 1, 2 up, 1 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. 5 is here. Beautiful. Then we look for S&D that's playing out, not on a weekly. We jump on a 2-day where I'm looking for my newly added S&D zones. In the mentorship, there recently was a workshop, and the newly added remastered course gave me some inspirations on S&D zones, and I definitely wanted to add them into my system. So since it's really powerful, I decided to use them. So one thing, you maybe want to watch this on 1.5 or something, because probably gonna talk a lot and not explain, but I don't know. I think it's more relaxing if you watch on 0.25 or 0.5. But yeah, we're gonna just start, and I'm just gonna talk through and make it understandable for everyone that's probably watching. Yeah. So we had the reaccumulation on the 2-day, broke above with good move momentum, and then we came down into this unmitigated S&D. You can see normally, like, I wouldn't trade this context or this context, but as you can see, bullishness is given on the bullishness is given on the upside, and the downside is pretty stagnant, which is fine. You want to see momentum into the direction you want to trade in. So as we see, we have mitigated that S&D. Now moving away from that, so we just quickly directly jump on the 2-hour. 2-hour is reaccumulating with 2 down and 1 up at this point. Sorry, I'm a little bit ill, but we're gonna get through it. And 1 up, and then we just started watching S&D zones. You see the down candle here got displaced by that, so we're looking from that down candle there, got re-updated to that week high, broke above there, went sideways with mitigation of that S&D zone. Had another down candle which got re-updated with that wick, so we're going to use that wick for further analysis. Since that got broken and closed above, we're going to just jump on the 5-minute on my entry time frame and just going to watch out for trades there. So we'll see here is just reaccumulation, 1, 2, 3 up, reaccumulation, 1, 2 down, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 2 up, accumulation. I'd like to see one more, just 3 up would be perfect. Yeah, now we're just gonna watch for entries. Yeah, could be one, no. So nothing here, actually, just kind of bearish distribution. Yeah, so at this point we're gonna just jump into the 2-hourly again, wait for the validated demand zone when it closes above here. Nothing here so far, still nothing. Now when it close above here, nothing, close above here, close above here, nothing. This did it displace? No, I didn't. So close above here, get another supply zone. So you're gonna just skip through it. Absorption of 2, mitigation of 1. Just gonna skip. Nothing to do here, absolutely nothing to do. You get 1, which is now seen as accumulation basically, or you can also argue for reaccumulation, since there's this institutional structure. We mitigated some unmitigated portions in here. So now we move in here, target should be right here. This line here, there, this high. So we already made this as a knee zone and demand zone. Moving away from that, and honestly, you could be trading at that point. Let's see if we find some entries there. Looks pretty ugly in that for now. So we're just gonna like wait for something clear, like something like this. Yeah, I mean bicep through the high, that's fine. So we're just gonna bicep here with the stop. ATR probably make more sense. You know, with these ones, I have the issue that if the next candle isn't like crashing through completely and just tapping me in slowly, then we're gonna get stopped out here. And since that stop loss is too big, I'm just gonna not trade this and just wait for a little bit more clean setup. Nah, nothing yet. Just gonna keep going. Reaccumulation, one down. I'm just gonna watch out for entries now. Probably like it's out of session, so I don't trade past 5 p.m. It's German time right now down here, so 5 p.m. will be 7:17. Yeah, not trading past that because of experience. Just had the issue that past 5 p.m. there wasn't much liquidity to trade, and just wiki price action context not too well, so we just not gonna try it. So price pulls up here. Nothing to do. I'll wait for my setup that I'll test it over probably around 2,000 trades. I know what's working, I know what's not, and I'm not gonna force anything, right? I'm not gonna force anything. I'm just gonna be here as long as it takes for me to find good trade. And yeah, so this doesn't do anything. We're in a big range. We wait to get to the top here with good money behind. And if we then do that and get sideways across the top here, we can look to trade that. But at that point, nothing really to do here. We can wait for, oh yeah, beautiful. So we see us coming into this S&D. What I like to see is now another demand zone, so actually close above here. And if that happens, we know money has come in and we're about to go to the upside, targeting this high here. So that will be the 2-hour target. Just going to keep that in mind. This is now seen as the cloud of liquidity. Everyone, dump money is trying to short that S&D zone. Dump money is trying to short that. Damn. Dump money is trying to short that imbalance from there to there. Fumbling into sales. Trying to see something up here. I don't know. Inducement highs. I don't know what it's called. I don't know what it is. Maybe someone's trying to short this trend line, but I'm not. I'm definitely going along because price is going to go here. I'm just going to say it before it happens. So 5 minute. What we see is accumulation 2 up beautifully. If we find now good setup, actually I'm willing to take a risk on that one. Just a bit more high because it's a little bit more like, I don't know. But the reef tip of 5. I'm just gonna put this there. No, not anymore. I'm not willing to trade that. We avoided a loss just because of experience, just like that. Damn. Yeah, that's 100% its setup. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Through these highs, and as I said, down money trying to see equal highs. I know that will mean that they short, they buy it. But yeah, no, they see equal highs as bearish, right? So I don't know. I'm long in this. Okay, we're gonna close below. Probably gonna come up back again with some momentum building up here. Now move up here sideways, down on the MA. Not too clean. Probably gonna go below, go back up, and then sideways. Go below, go back up, go sideways, but not for me. Not for me. Now sideways, a little bit. No, nothing here. We had 20 minutes. Damn, I'm good with time today. The other time when I try to record a video, I'm just talking so much and not catching. I mean, I haven't caught a trade yet, but I'm confident that I will. But yeah, we keep in mind, you know, that's the target I said we're gonna go to. Basic reaccumulation now, one up. Yeah, absolutely fine setup, but this is out of session, so it's, as you can see, is 9 p.m. So I'm not gonna touch this up until 1 a.m. So 1 a.m. is Asia open for me, and yeah, not gonna trade this here. So we came to absorb the 2-hourly high. Probably haven't had a close. Yeah, it's just absorption. Probably dumb money fumbling into sales because they see some imbalance there, trend short from there. This is just building more cloud of liquidity up here, what we're gonna, yeah, what we basically just gonna crush. So we're gonna wait. A little bit more down. I don't like this long sideways. Just gonna wait for something. If this comes up slowly, no. Reaccumulation. I basically just, in reaccumulation, I want to trade within the first, oh no, I can't say that. That's private mentorship content. So yeah, no, I can, no. But yeah, I try to I will understand basically. I just try to long within the first M. I just say M, and yeah, if we do more than 1 M, then I'm just gonna wait for 1 M up. So yeah, this is looking like it's going to tap me in. We doing the ATR stop loss 4.7. Now it says 5, so we're just gonna increase it to 5. Still looking good. Normally I don't like these spaces between the candle and the MA. Because most of the time the next candle is going to come back with tapping me in, giving me an instant loss, or just going to tap me in and then later coming back. So yeah, no, it came back. Next candle should tap me in 4.5. Not clean anymore. Don't want to take it. Yeah, would be a loss that I avoided just because of experience. Just as easy as that. Yep. Oh, it's out of session, right? Yeah, 17. So I'm not gonna take it. Just wait. Just gonna wait here. Reaccumulation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like to see 3 up at that point. Yeah. Jesus. So get 3 up. Building that. Beautiful entry. Like to see that. 3.8. Nothing. Space between. We don't take it. Would have taken me out, another loss that I just get rid of because of experience. So we're going to keep going. Nothing, reaccumulation, nothing. Beautiful setup. That's mine. 2.4. Nothing. Reaccumulation. Absorption of 2. Could be still absorption. Nothing. We'll wait for 1 up. Yeah, now it's interesting. Now it gets really interesting. A little bit flush. Yeah, that's a flush. Pausing candle would be cool. Don't get it. So we come above. A down candle on the MA. Down candle on the MA. Yes, sir. That's me. That's my trade. 5.5. Still valid. 5.4. Didn't tap me in. Nope. 5.4. Still valid. 5.2. Not valid anymore. Pausing candle with a little bit more downside. That's valid. 5.4. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Oh my god, bro, this is such a beautiful setup. Oh yeah, 5.7. Come on, we get tapped in. 5.7 is around here, and we're just gonna watch for what price does here. 1.5. I forgot. 1.5 is break even. So at that point we will be break even. It doesn't happen. It does happen now, so we break even. If price comes back to my entry, we tapped out. Yep. So this is just gonna be break even. I'm gonna journal it later, just because it would take out the dynamic of the video, Just gonna write BE and collapse this to the left. Well, we could take note right there. I'm just gonna continue. Sad, really sad. It's a yes, actually. So yeah, no, we got taken out. Nothing. It's rules. I'll avoid so many losses because break even at 1.5 that this doesn't even faze me. So yeah, we wait. That would have been beautiful setup too, but it's out of session, so we don't take it. Wait for 1 AM again. Get the absorption there. Beautiful flush too. 1 AM. Beautiful setup. 3.4. Still valid. 3.4. 2. Still valid. Looks very good. 3.4. Last candle. If that candle doesn't tap me in, that's not valid. Yep. We cancel it. Just gonna wait. I mean, at some point, I will get a trade. I know probably is gonna play out, and we in trending environment, so this system is pretty strong in trending environment. Just because I don't have to wait for some S&D zones, I just have to wait for the setup I tested to play out basically, and present me my trade. So this is fine too. 6. It closed below, so nothing here. Yeah, beautiful setup. If we can get a not an impulsive candle. Impulsive I wouldn't like. A pausing candle. No, okay, we don't get it. Nothing. Reaccumulation. Come back up, back above. A little strong. Pausing candle a little bit bullish. Yeah, we're gonna come back down to the MA. Yeah. Now it's actually becoming more. Yeah, this is beautiful. Just straight up here. 5.6. Just around here. 5.6, and yeah, gonna take that. Right, that's an instant loss. That's just an instant -1. Take that. -1. And we're gonna keep going where we are. 30 minutes. It's good. It's good, it's good. Still in 1 reaccumulation. Beautiful setup. I'm gonna take that. 5. 4, 8. Nothing. Keep going. Come below. Absorb. Absorb again. Break. Need 2 up. Nothing. Nothing. Now we need 3 to 4 up. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Beautiful. It's me. Flush is fine. Yeah, I think it's good. Not valid anymore. 1 more sideways candle. Yeah, mine too. 4.3, nothing. Oh, it's actually valid too. 4.2, yeah, it's a trade. That's a trade. 4.2, 4.2, 4.2. Just like that. We keep going. Just watch where that is. Oh, it's break even. So it's break even. Break even means I'm allowed to take. Damn, my camera froze. I don't know how long that's been, but we're gonna fix it. Wait, I'm gonna fix it quickly. That one, that one, that one. I'm gonna be big now. Hello. Make me small. Gonna do float on top. That should fix the problem. So 1.5 means for me I'm allowed to take another trade just because I want to take maximum of -1. And if the break even is now break even, if the trade is now break even, the maximum I can get when I take another trade is a -1. So that's well valid. We're going to take this trade too. Above here on a 4.7. 4.7 just because the candle basically screams for it. We're just going to protect the candle below, just like that. Gonna watch here. So this trade might be break even. Let's see, 1.52. Yeah, that's a break even. This setup is still valid. 4.8. Yeah. Since that candle would have been here, and it would be too small, we protect just by 4.8. Basically what the ATR told me, and this is actually quite near the low of the candle that tapped me in. So in this case, it actually will be valid to protect just below the candle that tapped me in, just like that, and see what's gonna happen here. So we break even already. Just make sure that we haven't been break even here. No, 1.1, and yeah. So management for winning trades is first partial 50% off at 10-minute 10 MA break. So yeah, we're just gonna keep watching this 10-minute going up. This is sadly break even before maximum are reached, and this is probably gonna explode pretty hard. Yeah, so we just wait for a candle close below the EMA on the 10-minute for my first 50% off. Just double check if there was another setup. No, there wasn't. So we're just gonna keep watching the 5-minute here. Just we don't miss another setup. Could probably be the 10-minute close below. If not, we're lucky. Yep, we're lucky. This thing just keeps going. We already, you know, and then it becomes a joke. I had now 2 break evens, I think, and 1 loss. So I don't know, the 10-minute didn't even close, and if I just divide the 13 in half, I'd have a 6.5 or raw win. 6.5 or against 2 break evens and 1 loss. So 6.5 minus 1, that's 5.5, And since I'm not getting too much fucked with commissions, I'm basically just securing, let's say 5 RR raw on this trade. If the 10-minute would have closed here, but it didn't, just keeps going. So 10-minute probably did close there. I'm not gonna joke about it. Yeah. So 10-minute close is here. And actually, it's quite the example that I just explained. So we're securing 6 RR raw on that partial. Second partial 50% at 10 RR, fixed RR, which means basically 5 RR every single time a trade hits 10 RR, which it did right around here or something. And we would add, well, so my calculation would be 11.98 over 2 plus 5, and that would be my trade that I basically managed then. So we're gonna let that open. I don't know, just quickly try to put that into my 6, probably 11 OR secured, plus 11 just to put it here. And yeah, gonna watch for more setups now. Actually, just let me see. Maybe it's, oh yeah, for sure that's the setup. Yeah, you had a good flush down. Yeah, why not? Just up here. 8.7 if we get tapped. 8.5 now. So 8.5 we get tapped. 8.5 is here. Another rule that I have about the ATR. The ATR is basically the maximum of pips I can have my stop loss on. So I can't, the minimum actually, I can't go below the ATR. ATR says 8.2, I can't go on 6 pips because my ATR says 8.2. I can always do more if the context is basically allowing it, but I can never do less. So yeah, just gonna watch what happens here. Looks like a break even. Yeah, so another break even. I don't know why the text is so big. 11. That's 2. So yeah, there's another break even, just like that. Another break even that, no, okay. Does it go? Damn. No, it doesn't. Okay, beautiful. We're just gonna, I don't know, probably just stretch this onto 45 minutes or something. Because I think there should be, yeah, as a viewer, you should have a good grasp of what is my system, what my system is like. Obviously, there's always progress and change within my system, as there should be, because staying stuck at one point would not do anything for you. So there should always be progress in your system. Always try to make things better, to make things more profitable, to make things easier for the psychology. And yeah, so we out of session. I didn't see. 1, 2. Oh no. Yeah, we wait for 2 more. Nothing. Yeah, jump. Okay, it is doing. Okay, I'm just gonna jump on 2 hour. Just watch what happens here. So we are big time. And yeah, no reason to stay on here. 5 minutes is the right place to be at that point. That's a trade. Just through that 8.1. Beautiful. 8. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Even a bit here. Just 7.8. 7.8. Yeah, so valid setup too. Gonna take both. 6.8, still valid. Yeah, absolutely. 6.8. 6.8. So this looks like break even, does it? Yeah. So yeah, this is break even. BE on that. See if the first one is a profitable one. Nice trade too. So we still don't have a -1, and it can't be worse than -1 because that is already BE. This is tapped out at BE, and this is just new trade that we're gonna set now. 6.3. Nothing. No. But yes, this one. Oh yeah. Through the high here. Liquidity. Well, we don't care about that type of liquidity, but liquidity does lie above because we have a target to go for. We saw the weekly basically just being up, and dumb money is just trying to short it because they say, oh, it's overextended, we need to come down. Ooh. And that's basically the moment when we just gonna crash through, and Okay. So if that MA would have not moved and stayed right here, I would have cancelled this order. But since this kind of pulled up and the MA as well, this is nice. And the space between the MA and the candle doesn't worry me too much because the candle is closed pretty strong and the MA did the right thing that I wanted to see there. So it's actually pretty good at that point. 5.7 with a stop. 5.7, and price goes. You can argue for that. Let me see. I'm down sideways. Yeah, you can argue for that one too. So with that one we already break even too. So yeah. I mean, this is back testing. I am going to figure out a rule. I think because live 4 trades in a row would be quite stressful to manage all of them. But my management is actually not very difficult. I just have to watch out for 10-minute closes. And if 10-minute candle closes below the 10 MA, every single trade goes 50% off. So actually, I don't think it's quite stressful as well. I don't know. I have to get more experience on live trades. Haven't had too many now, but for now we're just gonna let that slip, just because the setup is right, and we want to journal good setups. So yeah, this is gonna be instant loss, just like that. Gonna put this in here. -1. Damn, but they're giving me good setups though. What can I do about it, bro? Yeah. So this setup, actually, now I'm thinking about it, wasn't probably that good because we haven't been below the EMA very long time, and this flush was kind of needed. But now that we had the flush, securing the EMA, like regaining the EMA, and basically playing with it in the way that I like to see. My chart looks crazy. All the orders looks like institutions buying in. 6.4. 6.4, 6.3 now, 6.3. Damn, all these orders. 6.3. Bro, don't tell me that's another break even. Jesus. I have too many break evens here. Too many. Okay, now I'm just gonna calm down a little bit. I have, wait, this, so. Normally I would journal like the trade from trade to trade to trade, so my head isn't too, yeah. So we haven't closed below. This one is not a close for me, because if I have to think about, is it a close for me or not, then it's not a close. If it's a close, I'm going to look at it and I'm going to say, okay, it's a close. I'm going to be honest about it, but this is not a close for me. It's not very clear. I want to see displacement below the EMA that shows me that there's kind of participation missing, and therefore the close is validated for me as a sign to take 50% off. But now it hasn't happened yet, and probably going to see 5 more setups now. We have 1 -1 and 2 BEs at that point. 2 trades running at full risk, waiting for it to get tapped out basically. Okay, so yeah. No further trades here. Want to see flush down, but basically if it's going to continue, I'm going to be happy about it, because the 10, it did close below. Okay, actually I haven't, but yeah. So the first close below, this is displacement, this is great. So 50% off from that first trade, which ran to 11.45, and then this is still open too, which also ran to 10.42. So these are both now fully closed, since my second partial is at 10 hour raw. These both flew above 10 hour, so the final partial, which was intended to be the first partial, but if the 10-minute break is after 10 hour, then it obviously is the second partial. So these trades are both out. Calculate roughly, this is going to be 5.2 plus 5, that means 10.2 plus 10.2 for this trade, and the other one ran to 11.45. That's 5.52. So 5.52. Is it? 5.52, something around these lines. So 5.52 plus 5, that's 10.52. So 10 plus 10.52 on that one too. So this becomes actually just so surreal because you have 20 only with the 2 trades, 20 R, and I got 1 loss, 2 break evens. Then around here we had another what was it? Was it also 10? 11 hour win, bro. It becomes so surreal when the context is beautiful, that you're just gonna, money is gonna come like, give me money, man. And yeah, that's a beautiful thing about this system, that you could just can trade it in training environment, and it's just gonna work. Yeah, obviously, like, so we're gonna stop. Actually, we're just gonna stop backtesting here, because I think that's quite a nice end for the video. Beautiful thing about the system is it's gonna work very, very well in training environment. Other way around is not gonna work too well when you're trading in sideways action. So yeah, that's actually what you're gonna see if I'm just moving this a little bit, going over to the journal. Hello. Yeah, so these are my trades, and just gonna put it there, just like that. These are my trades, and if you look at it, so where was long losing streak, not just long break even losing? Yeah, look at this. So these trades are probably done in okay, there, okay context. So yeah, that's why I have a lot of -1s. A lot of -1s. This becomes also, bro, just count them. Just count them. This 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 -1s. With a little bit of break evens in between. 8 -1s. You want to see something funny? 8 -1s. What's that? Just with this trade, these 8 -1s are basically just worth nothing. They're just worth nothing because there was just one trade made them all back plus more. And that's why the equity curve is profitable. That's why it will stay profitable as long as I stick to my experience, as long as I stick to my rules, which I probably gonna refine over the next few months, up until the point of buying a funding challenge and passing the funding challenge eventually. But yeah, this actually was it. In order to make this kind of system, all credit goes to Mentfx, who basically just taught me everything, taught me everything, taught me everything that you're gonna see here. This journal is from his private mentorship, where you can count just your trades. It's gonna give you maximal drawdown, maximal accept loss. Gonna tell you risk of ruin, which is now a little bit fucked up because I don't have too much trades, and I edited the journal basically in a way that it allows me to basically display trailing systems. So the risk of ruin is not going to work for me, but it is for you if you join up in the mentorship. I mean, this I obviously don't get paid. I have one subscriber, but yeah, this is not like an advertisement for his mentorship, but it's the thing that changed everything for me, and it probably will for you. This is not a video where I'm trying to teach something to you. I'm not a teacher, and I don't want to be, but he is, and he's gonna do his best to basically help you to your success story, to your success, and on your journey of becoming a funded trader. Yeah, and basically in order to do all these trades, I journaled a lot. I can pull up another thing here. This one. This is basically where I put my camera. Oh, there's yeah, that's good. And this is basically the data collection I have done so far on every single win I had with this system in the past, and I just pasted it here. Every single win from beginning of my system to now, where I can just first of all see the evolution of my system. You can see this. Look at this dot right here. This is the scale where you can just pull and drag it to flick through your pictures. Look how small it is. Look how small it is. If I go to the beginning, I think probably there might be around 1,000 wins in here, but I don't know. I haven't counted them. But this is the beginning. Like, if I look at this, I don't even know what I did there. So it should be that way, because it shows you that you made progress, that you're doing the right thing, and yeah, you basically evolving, and your trading evolves, and so do you. And yeah, I would appreciate you if you just could leave a comment below. I don't know, maybe some thought process that you that went through your head watching this. But yeah, I also, if you want to follow me on this journey of becoming a funded trader, I would appreciate you too if you would just subscribe to this channel. I'm not gonna post a video every single day. For now, it's planned to basically release a video of my trading every single month around the same time, around the 22nd of every month, because I started doing this around the 22nd, like the videos, not trading. And yeah, maybe in the future I realize some stuff and I want just to get on here, just gonna post a video. And yeah, this is basically just for the display of my trading journey, and just for me to recognize my process, for me to see what I have done so far, and for me to sit back in 1 or 2 years with a funding certificate in my hand, looking on this and say, damn, you really did the thing. You really did what you said you want to do. And yeah, so I'm very happy that I'm where I am right now, and I'm confident that I'm going to get there where I actually set out to go to. And if you want to follow me on this journey, just leave a like. Leave a like. I'm sounding like a YouTuber, and I don't want to be a YouTuber, but just subscribe. Subscribe, follow me on this journey, and you can start going on to this journey alongside me. Join up with a mentorship, with the Mentfx mentorship. I'm gonna in the description there gonna be a link to Mentfx's YouTube channel, and if you want to start learning, go there. Not go to me. I'm not there where he is, and I'm not there at all. So go to him if you want to learn it. And I'm actually very proud of myself that I kept this under an hour, because normally I just 1 hour and 20 minutes. But yeah. So I hope everything worked well, technic wise, and yeah, I hope that I hadn't too many grammatic issues with my English, because obviously I'm not native English. I live in Germany, and yeah, trying to do my best to speak proper English. But yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, we're probably gonna see us around the next month. So 22nd of December. Damn, this is right before Christmas. That's cool. Just end this year in a good manner. In a good manner. Yeah, not gonna talk too much. 59 minutes. Yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Grind, and yeah, do everything to basically get to your dreams. And yeah, we're gonna see each other next month again. Bye bye.